Have you ever been stuck at the airport, staring at a departure board that reads "canceled" next to your flight number? You're not alone. Flight cancellations can be frustrating and disrupt even the best-laid plans. Thousands of passengers experience this inconvenience annually, leading to a ripple effect of stress, misconnections, and changed travel itineraries. However, knowing what to do can make a big difference in managing the situation effectively. In this video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step process on how to handle a flight cancellation so you're fully prepared for any situation that may arise at the airport. This is Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. First, let's talk about why flights get canceled. According to the International Air Transport Association, or IATA, the most common reasons for flight cancellations include bad weather, technical issues, and air traffic control problems. It's crucial to understand that sometimes these cancellations occur due to factors entirely out of the airline's control, such as severe thunderstorms, significant snowfall, or unexpected mechanical failures. On the other hand, cancellations can also be caused by operational challenges within the airline itself, such as crew shortages or scheduling conflicts. These factors highlight the inherent unpredictability of air travel. Regardless of the reason behind the cancellation, you have rights as a passenger, and being informed about those rights can empower you to take the appropriate actions. When you first find out that your flight is canceled, the initial step is to stay calm and assess the situation. Taking a deep breath is essential to clear your mind and prepare yourself for the next steps. A sense of composure will not only help you think clearly, but will also portray a more confident demeanor when interacting with airline staff and other passengers. It's helpful to grab a pen and paper to jot down important notes, such as contact numbers, flight information, and details from airline representatives. Finding the airline's customer service desk or locating a representative who can assist you should be your next priority. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, airlines are mandated to provide passengers with a written statement detailing their rights, which includes critical information about how to seek a refund or explore rebooking options. Familiarizing yourself with this information is essential for making informed decisions during this stressful time.
Next, take a closer look at your flight itinerary and attempt to understand your available options. This is a crucial moment where thorough research can pay off. Examine the airline's cancellation and rebooking policy carefully. Different airlines operate under various rules, and the flexibility of their policies can differ significantly. Some airlines may prioritize customer service and provide numerous rebooking options, while others may be more rigid in their approach. Be proactive in checking the airline's website or mobile app, where real-time updates are often available. If these resources do not provide sufficient information, don't hesitate to contact their customer service directly to clarify what options you have. According to a study by the European Consumer Center Network, airlines are required to offer passengers a choice between a refund, rebooking, or alternative transportation, depending on the circumstances of the cancellation. If you're eligible for rebooking, inquire about the airline's specific rebooking policy in detail. Some airlines may automatically place you on the next available flight to your original destination, while others could require that you initiate the rebooking process yourself through a phone call or online platforms. Understanding these nuances can save you precious time. It's essential to clearly ask about any potential fees associated with rebooking, as misunderstandings in this area can lead to further frustration. While the U.S. Department of Transportation states that airlines are not required to provide compensation for cancellations due to weather or other uncontrollable factors, they must offer valuable assistance, such as meals, accommodations, and other necessities if you're stranded overnight. In cases where you find the rebooking options unsatisfactory, considering alternative airports or airlines may be a wise decision. This broader scope can really open up new possibilities for reaching your destination, potentially without significant delays. Check other airlines to assess their flight availability to your intended location. With the rapid changes in travel schedules, you might discover last-minute deals or open seats on competing airlines that could expedite your journey. Tools like Skyscanner and Google Flights can be excellent resources for comparing available flights swiftly. According to Skyscanner, being flexible with your travel dates and available airports can also lead you to discover better options that you may not have initially considered, potentially saving both time and money. Furthermore, if you decide to look for alternative flights, it is wise to take into account not just the price, but also the reputability of the airline. Some low-cost carriers may offer attractive fares, but lack customer service, which can complicate your travel experience. Always check customer reviews and ratings when considering alternate airlines. Additionally, you might explore the possibility of flying into a nearby airport and utilizing ground transportation to reach your final destination. This broader perspective can relieve the immediate stress caused by the cancellation, making it easier to navigate the next steps of your journey.
Always keep in mind that travel insurance can serve as a safety net during unexpected situations like flight cancellations. Investing in comprehensive travel insurance can protect you not only from losing money spent on flights, but can also offer coverage for accommodations, car rentals, and other travel necessities. Always read the fine print of the policy you choose, as the coverage for cancellations can vary widely. In conclusion, while flight cancellations can be a source of significant stress, being well-prepared, informed, and calm can help you navigate the situation more effectively, ensuring that your journey eventually leads you to your destination, even if the path changes unexpectedly. If you believe you are entitled to compensation, make sure to bring this up in your conversations with the airline. In the European Union, for instance, passengers are entitled to compensation for flight cancellations that fall within the airline's control, with amounts ranging from €250 to €600, based on factors like flight distance and the circumstances surrounding the cancellation. This highlights a critical aspect of air travel: understanding your rights as a traveler. Knowing that if your flight was canceled due to reasons such as technical issues with the aircraft, staffing problems, or other preventable circumstances, you may have a legal right to seek compensation is essential. The European Commission has established guidelines for these compensation rights, and being well-informed can greatly aid your discussions with the airline. Familiarize yourself not just with your entitlements, but also with the specific protocols that each airline follows. This could provide leverage in your negotiation. This knowledge empowers you as a passenger and can prevent you from being misled by insufficient information or vague airline policies. In addition to compensation for the cancellation itself, keep in mind that you might also be entitled to additional assistance such as food and lodging. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, airlines are obliged to provide passengers with meals, snacks, and drinks while they wait for rebooking or refunds. This requirement is especially crucial during long delays or cancellations that leave passengers stuck in airports for extended periods. It's worth noting that different airlines may approach these obligations differently, which can affect your experience when a cancellation occurs. If your flight cancellation leads to an overnight stay, the airline must also ensure that you receive hotel accommodations to ease the inconvenience of the situation. Some airlines even have partnerships with hotels to streamline this process, making it easier for passengers to find a place to stay. In light of this, it's advisable to inquire about your options directly with the airline staff. It is always beneficial to know what specific amenities or support are provided under various airline policies. Thus, being proactive in your inquiries is a wise approach.
When communicating with the airline about your cancellation, it is vital to be clear, polite, and concise about your circumstances and what assistance you require. According to a study by the Harvard Business Review, maintaining a friendly demeanor can significantly increase your chances of favorable outcomes. Airline representatives often have more discretion and flexibility in resolving issues when they are approached courteously. Keeping meticulous records of your interactions with airline representatives, such as noting dates, times, and names, can serve as valuable documentation if disputes arise later. This organized approach can support your case if you need to escalate the issue or involve consumer protection agencies later. Having a well-documented account of your communications can also help to establish the context and the sequence of events, which may further validate your claims. If you're still finding it challenging to get the help you need from the airline, consider reaching out to your credit card company or travel insurance provider. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, many credit cards offer travel insurance as a benefit that may cover expenses related to flight cancellations, including reimbursements for unexpected hotel stays and meals. Additionally, investigating what specific provisions your card includes can yield useful insights into your potential recourse options. Similarly, your travel insurance policy may provide coverage for costs associated with trip interruptions or cancellations, which can alleviate some of the financial burden. An added layer of security can come from expanding your purchase avenues to include policies that also cover events like extreme weather or pandemics, which can have drastic impacts on travel plans. This proactive planning can ensure you are not solely reliant on the airline for assistance, and having multiple avenues for support can make a significant difference during an unexpected travel disruption. It's also wise to stay updated on current regulations and industry practices, as these can change and may alter your rights and the airline's obligations. Not all airlines have the same policies regarding cancellations and compensation, and changes in law or regulation might give you new avenues for recourse. Utilizing websites that specialize in consumer advocacy and aviation law can be excellent resources for this information. They often provide detailed explanations about individual airline policies and updates on legislation that governs passenger rights. This can further equip you with knowledge that has been derived from previous cases and consumer experiences, thus enhancing your understanding of your rights.
Finally, it's critical to fully understand your rights as a passenger. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, passengers possess the right to file a complaint with the airline or the Department of Transportation if they believe the airline has not adequately addressed their concerns related to a flight cancellation. The process of filing complaints is made easier through online forms, allowing for a straightforward submission of your concerns. This accessibility can encourage more passengers to voice their dissatisfaction, ultimately contributing to a more accountable airline industry. In the European Union, citizens can file complaints with the appropriate national enforcement body, ensuring that issues are addressed at a regulatory level. The importance of such reporting mechanisms cannot be overstated. These complaints can often lead to broader changes in airline policies and practices, benefiting future travelers as well. Often, regulatory bodies will take measures to examine these issues systematically when enough complaints arise. As a result, by voicing your concerns, you not only stand up for your rights, but also play a role in shaping the future of air travel. In conclusion, having a flight canceled can certainly be a stressful experience, yet knowing what steps to take can significantly alleviate that stress. To effectively tackle this situation, it is essential to stay calm and take the time you need to assess your options. Ensure you have all relevant information at hand, such as your flight number, booking details, and any documentation related to your cancellation. Being proactive, well-informed, and persistent can transform an unfortunate situation into an opportunity to understand your rights and navigate through the confusion of travel disruptions more effectively. Through clear communication, research, and a willingness to seek help, you can find pathways to get back on track and ultimately reach your destination. Always keep your mindset focused on solutions rather than problems, remembering that with the right knowledge and a composed mindset, you can turn the challenge of a flight cancellation into a manageable situation. Depending on how you approach the problem and what resources you leverage, you might even emerge from the experience with more travel wisdom than before, allowing you to handle future disruptions with greater ease. Elite Trailblazer. From airport lines to smooth landings, we've got you.